Ankole Institute of Business and Technical Studies omurembo rwa Mbarara babasa kurgayo no kujwara ebijwaro byabo ebyo kubasa kubereka ngo bahendere mishomo kandi ebyona byabaho omumashemerwa omukari kanangwa no mukushemerwa kwa manu munonga. Umunyamakuru witu yahiyaza kushikiroko yashanga ikintu kiri yanga nk'umucuzo bwo putura kandi ubuzima twaganiraho n'abantu benji ahaba yaryereka okushemerwa nangwa no kwemurka ahizoba ryabo. Dito wari umujenyi mukuru owikitinisa Dr. James Musinguzi or Executive Director ahabwenshonga za Uganda Wildlife Authority yabasa kuhigabe jaba okubasa kubangurwa kandi nangwa no kuteka munkora ebe byona ebashomere ahishomero kugira ngo ubundi bikabe yambaho umufutunguka kwabo kwa nyezi. Bwanyuma yo kuhendera mishomo yabo ahitende cyari kumankirya Ankole Institute of Business and Technical Studies mu rurembo rwa Mbarara abeje bakurika bibiri erizoba babasa kujwara ebijware bikwereka ngo ubuzima bahendera mishomo yabo kandi umunyamakuru wita hiyaza kushikira mu mwanya ogwo yashanga amatwenje gari ya mishoga bejaba barukuzena okwemurka nangwa no gurukeza. Batyo bashomwa amazina gabo omwe hari omwe kandi ubuzima bahikomisho go mugenyi mukuru kandi kwatyo na wo mugenyi mukuru tiyakora shobi okubasa kuhamya kwabejaba baheze mishomo yabo kandi akabatekaho umukono gwe ari kubaragira kugenda umunsi bakaza kwereka kubashomere.
Nyesiga Obed, Tumwesige Alon, Simiri Ruth and Zbairi Badai. Please put some speed because of time.
By the powers entrusted to me by the Institute Authority, I award all those whose names have been read a certificate in journalism and media studies of Ankole Institute of Business and Vocational Studies. Congratulations.
Abakorkorga hitende cyo ryo rumwe area Ankole Institute of Business and Technical Studies abaru principal Evelyn Nsima mbabasa kusima bazira okubasa kubahereza beji no kubakwataraho imyaka 13 y'abamarombo hereza kandi hona buzima basha babana okubasa kuteka mu nkora ebi byone bejere.
In whatever you've been doing, always ensure to be disciplined and respectful in order to be someone when you want to be a successful person. You must have noticed the world is rapidly changing in technology, therefore you must claim the press in order to stay relevant to the people that they want into the world. And our brave government would like to thank you for the support of giving us and skilling these people. It has helped us a lot. Thank you so much, the government, and for helping the youth to be skilled.
Abazire mwebare nibinje mwakwe mkozise sente zanyu konka mshazire mukuziteko mbeje aba ngo bashome mwebare mnonga. To the graduates, you are yet to be graduates. No basa kubatunga certificate ninga diploma echo just net papura. Konka ko kuzomu world of work, it's about what you offer. It's not the paper. You may use the paper to get the job, but it will not sustain you at your workplace. No tekwa kutamu echindi innovation, competition, hard work kugira ngo murimo gogireti ogumeho. Sofa omurimwe hinabokora. Tinabokora sofa. Hati mwabajiro mu world of work, you know what it means for you to sustain that job. Miyambe batahibanya batakatunjire mirumo, mubagambire kiriya mirumo yenyini. Echipapura yes mwachitunga, but what matters is what you will offer in the field of work.
Our director witende cherera owikitinisa hygiene kuragere twonjire omukuganira ho ahamukoro yabasa kushaba bana okubasa kuhangahanga hemirimo bite batari kushitama bakarinde mirimo aherizere ngo habwo kubitendekero nice cyo kwegesa
itwa bitu twenda baheza Ankole Institute ekiturho batunge mirimo kandi abinji bekozese nabana binjo mfield no bashanga yunibetira nabatano bana bakora ka business hati kabegesa kuoshomera amashanyarazi tata wawe na hemtwaro 50 burdamu ninga 80 hati mwenu yakwata yo eza tamu zishatu kawe mwene chweka mukete anabana 8 nga bani 10 mukasiya miliyoni 15 mukatandike duka iby'amashanyarazi kandi ico bayemba chikora munonga na mwento kutwene y'amashanyarazi tukurombana bitu abahereza.
owari omugenyi mukuru aha mukoro nigwo gumwe ow'ekitiinisa Dr. James Musinguzi Executive Director w'ekitongore ky'okumanka kya Uganda Wildlife Authority yabaasa kuhiga abazaire okugumizamu n'okushomesa abaana kandi yateerera omuranga abaana okweshumbira omu bintu by'okuhangahangaho ngo habw'okuba ihanga niheerikuza
nahabwe ekintu tekwa kukora munonga kweteraho emirimo innovation. I therefore want to encourage you, the graduates, to be innovative, to use the skills of Tanyoma Mirimo. Once you get a job, value it and do your best at it. Once you do your best, nobody will want to lose you. They will want you to be maintained at that workplace.
Omuringo nigwo gumwe yabashaba kutandika n'akantu kakye ngo habw'okuba waragayo n'okutandika ekintu kihango esha yona kibaasa kuteera hansi.
Kandi waenda kutandikaho omurimo, start small. Utandike mpora mpora okure. Ankole Institute hati yasie emyaka 13 konka noreeba ngu buri kujwara the value improves. Nibeyongeraho step mwebale Ankole Institute. Thank you. Mbatero mu ngaro habwokuba ko comparing age graduation with the last graduation, it is better.
Ninye Asimire Caroline kurugitara rubaya Kashari mbire ninshomera aha campus ya Buzwera branch ambenye course national certificate in plumbing. Habuzo kukweleza abana babishiki batahi banje omuriwe omushiye tekeme kintu cyane imbasa
tuwaruzinga hope kandi wagumiza munokoro murimo gwoshomere na wotagufunere still na no guwafuna jezaho munonga kugira ngo planning nyensia yawe yanyencha kare otakaza kubona no kushabiriza eminyeta bari yenyuma nibwo babuzo bungu bahereza mutagaye mirumo
bicirwaro yarwara nk'abandi ndumwendezo gukora ki ibintu by'ibigambo byanye ko muziki
kandi mwebare okuba muri Agent TV. I salute you. Turiko yongera